Imagine for a moment a universe where everything from the vast galaxies swirling in the cosmos to the smallest speck of dust beneath your feet is composed of tiny, indivisible particles. What if there's an ancient concept that can explain this mystery? Welcome to the fascinating world of Democritus, the philosopher who dared to see beyond the visible, introducing us to the concept of atoms. Born in the 5th century BCE in the city of Abdera, Thrace, Democritus was a product of the pre-Socratic era. His wealthy parents provided him with a quality education, and his thirst for knowledge led him to travel extensively, absorbing wisdom from different cultures. This Greek philosopher, often referred to as the laughing philosopher for his emphasis on cheerfulness, is best known for his atomic theory. The idea that all matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles known as atoms was a groundbreaking revelation. This theory was born from his belief that change is the result of the rearrangement of these atoms, which themselves are eternal and unchanging. Democritus's atomic theory was truly ahead of its time. He postulated that atoms move in a void or empty space, and the differences we perceive in materials are due to variations in the shape and arrangement of these atoms. He believed that our senses could only perceive a fraction of reality, asserting that human perception was fallible. For Democritus, real knowledge was the understanding of the atomic structure of the universe. But Democritus didn't stop at the physical world. He also applied his atomic theory to human psychology. He proposed that human souls were composed of smoother and rounder atoms than body atoms, allowing for greater mobility and resulting in thought and perception. Moreover, Democritus was a firm believer in the rule of natural laws. He held that everything in the universe, including human actions, is governed by these laws, negating the need for divine intervention or superstition. Now let's take a moment to revisit the key points about Democritus's life and theories. Born in Abdera, Thrace, in the 5th century BCE, he was a well-traveled philosopher who introduced the concept of atoms. He proposed that all matter is composed of these tiny, indivisible particles, which move in a void and create change through their rearrangement. Moreover, he believed that human perception was fallible, and real knowledge lay in understanding the atomic structure of the universe. He applied his atomic theory to human psychology, suggesting that the soul is composed of a different type of atom. Lastly, he believed in the supremacy of natural laws over divine intervention or superstition. In conclusion, Democritus was a groundbreaking philosopher whose atomic theory laid the foundation for modern chemistry and physics. His belief in the fallibility of human perception and the rule of natural laws invites us to question our understanding of the universe and pushes us to constantly seek knowledge beyond what is immediately perceptible. And though centuries have passed since Democritus first proposed his theories, the ripples of his thoughts continue to shape our understanding of the world.